The Euro 76 advances on the innovative features and flexibility of its predecessor. Hybrid capabilities allow the panel to connect to both wired and wireless peripherals, resulting in both Grade 2 and 3 options. KX15DQ and ShockW are available for Grade 2, whilst KX15DTAM or TMD15 are ideal for Grade 3. 76 zones and 6 areas allow extensive customization, ensuring system flexibility for a wider range of installs. UDL software enables fast remote programming and diagnostics, saving you time and money. Euro 76 is ideal for larger residential properties or commercial installations. We offer industry-leading consignment stock through distributors, which ensures that installers can get the product they need when they need it. All of this is available at an extremely competitive price point.